everyone, I'm Kirsten, and in the wise words of InSync, it's gonna be May. So today, I'm sharing the top 5 affiliate offers on ClickBank that are making affiliates tons of commissions in May 2026. These days, we've got a nice mix of other types, including women's health, sleep products, and low-ticket digital offers with conversions of nearly 5%. That's right, you heard me. Wait till the end to get the full scoop on what's dominating ClickBank today. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Kirsten HereSync. I work with the sales team here at ClickBank, so I know which products are perfect for you to promote right now. Let's start off with our list of the 5 top offers on ClickBank this month. Starting off with offer number 5, Audifort. Audifort is a consistent winner in the hearing supplement space. Here are the metrics you need to know. EPCs at 52 cents, APVs of $164, and a hop conversion rate of 0.33%. Let me speak a little louder. Audifort is currently performing off the charts and winning the attention of health-focused consumers everywhere. This powerful supplement is designed to support overall ear well-being with a truly bonkers average payout. Audifort is the slow and steady offer you didn't even know you needed. When you promote Audifort as an affiliate, you stand to earn serious commissions with every click, up to 65% revenue share. They also provide a bunch of angles for you to work with, from product science-based formula to real-life testimonials. If you're looking to add a reliable, high-performing offer to your list of offers, Audifort is a no-brainer. You can find it in the ClickBank marketplace. Wake up, everyone! Offer number 4 is You Sleep. Yep, in number 4, we have a new offer to our rankings, You Sleep. This is a unique sleep solution that stands out in a massive yet underserved US market. Let's start with the stats. EPCs of 56 cents, APVs of $155.26, and hop conversion rates of 0.37%. You Sleep contains a powerful formula to help people drift off easily from the very first night, which makes for a great hook in your ads or content. You'll also love the average payout of more than $155. That's huge. It's also worth pointing out that You Sleep comes from a Diamond Elite ClickBank vendor, so they know what they're doing. Whether you do email, Facebook, Google, YouTube, or TikTok, You Sleep converts consistently across all the major traffic sources. And yes, this one has a CPA option, but keep in mind, approval is required. With You Sleep, you can tap into a broad demographic of consumers who are desperately seeking fast-acting and effective ways to improve their nightly rest. While they're doom scrolling at night, this is the time to hit them up. So for sustainable, high-paying conversions, don't sleep on this one. Little thing from me to you, okay? I work with Michael daily. I see that guy, IRL. His ego is out of control. You guys are loving him too much online. We gotta roast him, okay? So let's do our best roast in a nice way, okay? Playful roast about Michael below. Light it up. He's gonna love it. All right, back to business. Offer number 3, New Era Protect. So, New Era Protect is a supplement designed specifically for women over 40 who want to reclaim control of their bladder health. Originating from the team behind Pelvic Floor Strong, New Era Protect builds on their solid reputation of proven conversions and reliable payouts. When you promote New Era Protect as an affiliate, you'll enjoy generous commission rates of up to 90%, a strong conversion rate north of 1%, and a fully tested and optimized funnel. Just note that you'll have to apply to be approved on this one. It's hard to go wrong with a product that addresses a widespread concern, bladder health, for a specific but large and motivated audience. So be sure to give this one a test. You can find it right in the marketplace. Let me warm up my vocal cords because offer number 2 is the Brain Song. Remember this one from a few months ago? Well, you should. It's the Brain Song. And that's a pun because this is about memory. Check out the top offer's amazing stats. EPCs of 35 cents, APVs of $58.05, and a hop conversion rate of 0.68%. So, what is the Brain Song? It's a breakthrough tool for boosting mental performance. The Brain Song harnesses sound wave technology to stimulate the brain's gamma waves, which are linked to rapid learning, problem solving, and heightened focus. All it takes is 7 minutes of listening each day for users to experience sharper thinking, clearer memory, and a powerful in-the-zone feeling. As an affiliate, you'll tap into a product that is developed by seasoned ClickBank powerhouses, so you can expect sky-high conversions right out of the gate. This offer is already scaling on paid media, so if you're a cold traffic buyer, this could be your next record breaker. So, here we are, number 1. This is the top offer in May 2026. It'll drive you to new heights of success. That's right, it's Vin Checkup. So here's the latest stats. EPCs of 44 cents, APVs of $10.45, and a hop conversion rate of 4.9%. It's not the first time you've seen Vin Checkup in our top 5. So yes, it does have lower average payout, but the nearly 5% conversion rate is unheard of, and those conversions can add up fast. So this is a highly profitable automotive offer that helps your audience instantly dig into a vehicle's history. By promoting Vin Checkup, you'll give potential car buyers thorough insights into any car's background, an irresistible hook for anyone wary of accidents, hidden damage, or odometer fraud. You can tap into a huge market of used car shoppers, boosting conversions as they see immediate value from validating the details of a vehicle they own or looking to buy. As an affiliate, you have multiple landing page paths, so it's easy to find the one that best suits your audience, whether they're searching for a specific VIN or going straight to a checkout. In the end, Vin Checkup is straightforward to promote and doing so well on the marketplace right now. Surprise! Bonus! Derila Ergo. So this is in the e-commerce category. Really quick, I want to share that brand new bonus offer that's crushing for affiliate commissions, the Derila Ergo Pillow. This ergonomic pillow is one of our new performance e-com products that's hitting for new and seasoned affiliates. Check out these stats. EPCs of 91 cents, APVs of $59.61, and a hop conversion rate of 1.76%. This specialized pillow provides both comfort and relief with a unique design that supports the head, neck, and spine at an ideal angle. This ergonomic approach appeals to anyone who struggles with chronic pain or simply wants to sleep better. As an affiliate, you'll benefit from consistently high conversions of nearly 2%. That's because of Derila's proven track record and strong brand appeal. Their affiliate resources run the gamut from ads to optimized landing pages that you can lift and use right away. Be sure to jump on this one while it's still under the radar. If you launch this today while it's still under the radar, you'll sleep your best sleep and you'll dream of cash that'll come true in the morning. All right, May 2026 top offers wrap up. So am I supposed to say that? Who's to say? It's hard to overemphasize how strong this lineup is. We've got some huge offers here, so there should be something for everyone. All right, do me a favor. If you're new to ClickBank, we've got a link in the description where you can join and start promoting products like these for free. Or you can visit clickbank.com/start. Also, I know I'm not Michael, okay? So let's roast him first of all. And that's why I want to ask you to like and subscribe so that my video has way more likes and subscribes than his does. You know, just a little healthy rivalry thing. Okay, that's what I have for you this month. Until next time, happy scaling!